you have this noise in your Audi, in this case what happened is you can see just barely that now you're looking at the rear caliper here, so I've taken it apart, but the screeching, scratching noise, you can hear it just ever so slightly. That's the noise it's making. And what it is, what happened, the brake pad slid this whole guide over, and the guide is meeting right here on the disc. So this whole guide, maybe I didn't install it or rushed it, or I can see something got bent right here on the corner, but this is what's causing the screechy, scratchy noise on my brakes. And the pads are clean, so after the pads were clean, I was like, huh, you know, what is really causing the screechy, scratchy noise if nothing is, no rock jammed in the pad or anything like that? What could it really be? It sounds like metal on metal. Well, lo and behold, it is this thin piece of metal grinding against this. So what I'll do is I'll slide it over and then maybe even change it with a new one, and then make sure it's centered on there next time much better, and I'll grease up the spot where the pads slide, excuse me, and she should be good to go. I actually have replacement guides for this caliper, and the first thing I noticed, here's the old one for the top, and now I'm pulling out the old one for the bottom here, and these are just, you know, pieces of metal with nothing special to them. This one actually got bent up, it looks like, somehow. You know, nothing really special about these whatsoever. Now these are just ordered. These are probably 4 years newer. I haven't done the brakes on this car in a long time. It's been about 3 or 4 years, but the car has also been sitting for a long time too, so that doesn't help. Now, first thing I noticed about these new guides, it has some sort of coating on it. This black coating is like anti-rust, I have to imagine, and you flip it over to the other side, well, this side is actually a textured, some sort of textured grippiness material that they have applied to it. Almost feels like a Teflon type thing, and in my mind that's gonna promote the adhesion there to the caliper surface, and it's going to allow the pad to slide easier upon this surface. It makes perfect sense in my mind. These are a great upgrade, and I'm so happy that I'm switching them out. I can't wait to do the other side. Now the other side's not making any noise, so I might hold off for a little while because, you know, don't fix it if it ain't broke. All right.